Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a black and white image in the Lightroom app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Lightroom app. And here in the Lightroom app, it opens up in the gallery, and from the gallery we have to select a picture that we want to edit. Let's say it's this one. After opening up the picture and after Lightroom loads, from the bottom bar we have to select color. We tap on color, and here we actually have two options to create a black and white image. The first one is, at the top there is B and W. If we tap on it, it converts the image to a black and white image. But we can also get a black and white image by decreasing the saturation level to 0. And this way our image becomes black and white. But you can just tap on this and the same thing happens. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.